Ang reputasyon ko, alam yan, Edith. One of the most difficult artists to work with. Ano daw, masyadong mabusisi, masyadong kabisote, masyadong mateknikal. Because, para ako lagi may hinahanap na sikat ka, pero parang may kulang. Until I was assigned to the Overseas Workers Welfare Administration. The beautiful people we have over there on the back. Was continuously, every day, providing me with such immense and powerful inspiration. It changed my whole perspective about government. Dati ang OWA, pinapadala ko lagi saan-saan. And each time I sing, I just thought, kanta ka. Lapit si Angie Magban, mabigyan ko $1,000. Kahit anong gawin mo, $1,000 ang bayad, napakapuripot ng OWA. Hindi ko alam na ngayon na nandito na ako sa administrator. Kung ano pala yung epekto ng kanta mo, ano ang epekto ng bawat isang picture taking sa isang OFW. It provides them with extra strength to endure the challenges they face abroad. And lahat ng mga taga-uwa, including yan, quite a number of you here understands. Every day, we face problems that most people do not face. We've mastered it and how to solve it. It's not easy. Alam niyo yung bawat isang lumilipad ng OFW, isang bubong ang naitatayo. Kapag kainan, napupuno ng pagkain, may mga bata nakakapag-aral. And in my life, I never knew I would be so involved in others. Just forget about the Bagong Bayani. Hindi na yun. Alam mo yung kung ano na-discover ko rito? It's just about people. You were given this profound chance to help. And we are so fortunate sa OWA. We're very well funded. We just need to work. Pero yung mga nakita ko doon, isipin nyo, ako taping-taping lang ang alam ko, nilalait-lait pa ako lagi. Ako yung nakarating sa gera, ako yung nagbubukas ng mataul. Sa Egypt, Sudan War, I was there. In the middle of the war. Israel, lakad ako ng lakad, doon pa na talaga yung nagpatayan. I was there. Alam mo yung kong artist. But I'm so thankful. I'm 61 and probably spend more years with this profound realization of the beautiful experience to be seriously involved sa ikabubuti na iyong kababayan. So this last number, saka pa, Efren, ha? Gusto mo ikwento ko dito yung mga nangyari nung araw sa atin? Yeah. Kasi inyo, bawat isa na involved sa industry ng OFW, my profound thanks. And my profound thanks also for believing in me. Isa po akong artista na lait-lait, ano daw ba alam ng baklang yan? Ang simple lang, it's just common sense and a heart in the right place. Pero nga ng letra,